Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. So today's video is focused on Sony A7C. This is an unboxing video. So this is a camera which I have been really wanting to buy it for a long time, and finally I got my hands on it. And yes, I'm just slowly unboxing it, and you can see that it has everything in it, like a manual, how to use it, and all of the stuff. So I'm a beginner level photographer, I would say. I never had a DSLR or like a compact camera. I just use my iPhone camera always to take pictures. But this time I finally thought that to have a real like professional camera so I could take like good pictures whenever I travel outside. So as you can see, this the body of Sony A7C is very compact. It's very small and not very heavy, I would say. You can carry it in your purse if you want, and yeah, it comes with a strap. It comes with like a battery, and one thing I would like to tell you is that the battery life is really good. I mean, it lasts like a whole day. Like a full charge will last me whole day, and it's really amazing about it, because one thing I was fearful about is that my camera might die while I take like photographies outside when I travel, and that thing really is very annoying. So I didn't buy the lens, like the kit lens which comes with the lens. I bought the other lens which is from Sony. It's FE 28mm to 70mm, if I'm not wrong. So this is the lens, which is very good, and I think that it will work really good with it. If you want something like really compact, then I would suggest you buy the lens kit. But yeah, these are some of the photographs that I took. And here's my cat, Fifi. I took a really good still of it, I think. And here she is sitting. I think the picture quality is really good. If you see the sharpness of it, like every detail is visible. And like here, there's a close-up of some leaf, and it has a really good bokeh effect, I would say.